Tennant Company's T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber delivers excellent cleaning results in small spaces. Scrubbing with the T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber increases productivity and provides health and safety benefits for your customers and employees. The T1 is easy to operate and improves your facility's image by providing consistent cleaning results, all with a low cost of ownership. With the T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber, you can safely and easily clean in forward and reverse. Reduce your cost to clean with Tennant's T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber. Low operating noise enables energy-saving daytime cleaning. Intuitive, easy-to-understand controls simplify training. Tennant's T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber delivers outstanding cleaning performance while providing health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. Reduce the risk of slip and fall accidents in narrow, confined spaces within your facility with excellent water recovery. Reduce mold and bacteria with the easy-to-clean hygienic solution and recovery tanks. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber. Optimal water recovery maximizes soil removal to ensure your floors are clean and streak-free. The scrubber provides excellent down pressure and pad RPM for powerful cleaning. Tennant's T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. Intuitive controls simplify training and operation. Tennant's T1 Walk-Behind Micro Scrubber provides exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain micro scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.